So for this look, because I do have a wing liner, a full wing, and then I have this cut crease going on, I really wanted to show, and I want lashes that make my eyes look more elongated. So for this look, I'm choosing 2 lashes. I do like a little bit of drama, but not too much. The Remy lashes in style 778, and on top of those, I'm gonna stack and sandwich the 3D Faux Mink lashes in style 854. So the reason why I want these on the bottom is because they're very nice and wispy. They're gonna give a little bit more of a fluffy effect to my eyes. So I'm choosing the 3D Faux Mink lashes in style 854 to sandwich on top, because if you notice, they're a little bit more lightweight, and if you notice, they have a little bit more separation in between the lashes, so it's really gonna give your lashes like a really nice, like fluffy effect. And sandwiching them both together just creates your own personalized look, which I love. So what I like to do when you do take the lashes off of like the actual little packaging is I like to press my finger onto the lash and pull down, and pull down. This way you don't damage the lashes and they just come off nice and easily. So once I have the lashes off of the actual packaging, wiggle them to kind of break the band so that it creates a little nice curve on the lash. When you put it on, it's gonna have that curve that your eye naturally has. I'm going to measure and see how long I want my lashes to look, and see how there's excess lash out here. I'm gonna have to trim maybe 2 clusters from the ends. So what I'm actually gonna do, only because I'm gonna use the 854s on the top, I'm gonna snip off this first little cluster off, because I do like how the end flares out on this style of lash, and I'm gonna end up cutting the end of this one. Does that make sense? So I'm gonna go in with my trusted lash adhesive Duo Clear. So what I do is I grab a little bit of the glue on the back of any brush, and I just apply it right along the lash line. And then you want to allow it to dry and get tacky for about a minute. That way, once you apply it on the actual lash, it's gonna really stick and it's not gonna move anywhere. While those are drying, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my second pair, and I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. Again, we're gonna wiggle. These have a little bit of a thicker band than the other. See, it creates like a memory curve to the lash. And I like to curve it a little bit more like on the inner corner, because that's, your eye naturally curves a little bit more on the inner corner, and it's a little bit more flat at the end. So this is gonna really make it a lot easier to apply the lash, and it's gonna make the lash stick on better. And I'm gonna look to see where I want to cut the excess lash. And the nice thing is that the lashes already have a little bit of a tackiness, a little bit of an adhesive, so they do lay on your lashes. Okay, I'm gonna snip like 1 cluster. And I'm snipping just 1 cluster at the end so that it fits my eyes. I do like how the lash starts. So I don't want to compromise the fact that it starts very short and it ends longer. So that's why I ended up cutting the ends off of this lash. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop on the lashes. And before I do that, I like to kind of look at the band and see how clear the glue has gotten. So I kind of know if it's dried enough or if I need to allow it to sit for a little longer, a few seconds longer. I'm going to place it on the center of my eye first and then adjust each end. So popping it on there, and it grabbed right away. That's how I know that the glue is nice and tacky. I'm gonna adjust it right in here, inner corner of my eye, and I'm gonna pull a little bit actually. I want it a little further out. There we go! Looking like a baddie now, hey! Right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and stack the second lash. So I'm really gonna make sure that this has that nice curve that I want, because it is that second lash. I don't wanna stick it on too high. I don't wanna mess it up. I want it to have the perfect curve. So what I do is I kind of fold it inward. If I notice that the band is a little bit thicker, cut up here, again, stick it right in the middle first. Then I'm gonna adjust the inner corner, and then I'm gonna adjust the outer corner.